Well, good morning. This is Dave from Volkswagen Tube, and I just woke up after a storm last night. There's the rat rod, the Volkswagen rat rod, and it looks like we had quite a bit of activity. But the fun thing is it missed my van. It kind of missed the rat rod a little bit. But look how close this branch came to hitting my van over here. I mean, well, am I lucky or what? I mean, this is just, look how deep the snow is, too. I'm probably walking through a foot of snow right now. This branch missed my van. Now, this little branch, well, it hit the rat rod, but, it's all metal. Doesn't matter. This is a rat rod anyway. But, you're not going to hurt this thing. That's solid steel there. It's thick stuff. But, wow. And it looks like most of the branches missed the car. Look at these big branches. They came down. They came down last night. We got branches all the way down the road. There's a power line that's sagging down there. And, it's just, this is pretty amazing to me. But it's not going to stop me because this car runs and drives. And so I'm going to play with it some more. I'm going to get the debris off of it and we're just going to have some fun, winter and summer. So I just wanted to give you a brief update of, wow, look at this. Have a great day. Thanks for visiting Dave at Volkswagen Tube.